Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today I want to give a review on this Royal Gourmet um, LP grill. This is a really nice grill. I chose the color red. I think they have maybe blue and stainless steel too. And this model also comes with a rotisserie kit. And although I don't have it on, I've always bought, the cheap grills, 150 bucks or so, and I go through them like every year. And I've been told that this is the one to get if you want something that's going to last a little bit, because we use our grill 3 times a week at least, year round. And I've seen one that's a couple of years old, and everything is really good on it. These are going to run you in the high 500s, but you get what you pay for. It's going to have 72,000, I believe, total BTU. It's going to have the side burner, the igniter, everything most grills have. It's got a thermometer that goes way up to 1,000. And when I cooked yesterday, I was right in the 700 degree with the sear on. You've got your burners. You got your rotisserie burner in the back. And then this is a sear one, and this one flat will sear. No question about it. This sears. You're going to have a shelf over here. Under here you have a place where you can put your propane grill. I don't put mine there because I use mine so much that I'm always replacing the propane. If you want to use one and put it in there, that screw out the back there on the other side of that vented panel, there's a lever, a screw you can twist, and it'll tighten the LP tank on there so it don't move. Or you can do like I do and just run it out the side, because like I said, I change mine so often. There's also a chain if you want to use a match to light with. There's the back side, that screw I was talking about. Right there. Right there, for tightening the propane tank in. Doors are pretty heavy duty. This is a piece for the rotisserie. Solid built. I'll see if I can put a link in the description for this. I think it's 72,000 total BTU, and it's 747 cubic inches of cooking space. Like I said, it's Royal Gourmet. It's got drip trays in the bottom. It's got a pan over here that collects the grease. I used this last night, but I didn't clean it. This is the sear side. These are cast iron. Back there is a rotisserie burner. You would put that on high and put these on low and cook whole chickens or whatever you want. Like I said, it's a very good grill. I'm very happy with it so far. Come over here. Here's the other side. That's your rotisserie hangs in. By the way, if you put the rotisserie in, you just lift this off, because this would be in the way. If I had a negative to say, which is an easy fix, I'm just picking here, there's no hooks anywhere or anything to maybe put a grill brush on or something, that I've seen anyway, and I've looked pretty good. But you can buy those little magnets with a hook on them. The magnet's about the size of a nickel. Just magnet, stick it on there, put your grill brush on there. That's a simple fix. But still, that's the only negative I see with this. I can turn it on real quick. See what we get here. See, it fires right up. Each one of these have their own I can't even see, it's in the middle of the daylight. And you probably won't be able to see it either. Put the sear burner on. Yeah, it's on. I don't think you can see it, but that's on. This back here is on. But it's in the middle of the day, and my phone's cooking. See, this is model, where's it at? GA543, GA5403R. The R represents red. I think they have it in blue too and stuff. Now they have another model that doesn't have, it's not quite as good as this, and it doesn't have the rotisserie, and it's less money, but hey, I highly recommend this one. If you want a grill that'll get it done, that gets hot, that sears. Here's the rotisserie that come with it. These are removable, counterweight, handle. The grill box, which has got a cord that you can plug in. Where's it at? It's up here on top. Or, if you choose to, here's your on-off switch. Or if you choose to and you don't have electric around or can't plug it in, whatever, this is also battery operated. So that's pretty much it. I've always wanted to get a middle of the road grill instead of those cheap ones because I go through them so often, and I've read a lot of reviews on these, and like I said, I know somebody that has one that's a couple years old and it's still just as good as always. So that's my review, and like I said, I'm going to try and put a link in the description to this exact model. It may be a different color one, but I'll put a link in the description to this if I can. Alright guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. If you would, share and subscribe. Have a good day.